People v. Victoria, GR number L369, March 13, 1947. Facts. Carmelito Victoria, a Filipino citizen owing allegiance to the United States and the Commonwealth of the Philippines, was charged with treason under Article 114 of the Revised Penal Code. Between 1942 to 1944, he knowingly adhered to the enemy, the Japanese Imperial Army, during World War II. His acts included joining an armed Japanese patrol on October 6, 1944, accusing civilians of hiding guerrillas, participating in arrests, directing the retrieval of a dead spy, and later arresting, torturing, and causing the killing of civilians Federico Unson, Isaias Perez, and Ruben Godoy. On December 21, 1944, participating with Japanese spies in arresting Jose Unson for allegedly aiding guerrillas via radio communication. Additional acts of arresting and turning over Filipino civilians to Japanese military authorities, resulting in torture and death. Issue: whether the acts committed by Victoria constituted the crime of treason under Article 114 of the Revised Penal Code. Ruling: yes. The court held that Victoria willfully adhered to the enemy and gave aid and comfort, as shown by his active participation in Japanese military operations, arrests, torture, and killings of suspected guerrilla sympathizers. His actions satisfied the two-witness rule, as required for treason, because each overt act of adherence was supported by credible testimony. As a Filipino citizen, his participation in enemy operations constituted a clear violation of his duty of allegiance. Doctrine. Key principle. Treason requires allegiance to the government and overt acts of adherence to the enemy, proved by two witnesses. Acts such as assisting, accompanying, or participating in enemy operations, particularly those involving arrest, torture, or killing of citizens, constitute aid and comfort to the enemy. Disposition. The conviction for treason was affirmed, and Victoria was sentenced to the reclusion temporal and fined 15,000 pesos, as originally imposed by the People's Court.
Ooh, yeah. Got some ghosts I keep around. They ain't quiet, they just talk loud. Built this house on dusty ground. It's a heavy kind of freedom. Yeah, I walked a crooked line, but this peace I found is mine. Some might call